there's a whole bunch of fun stuff you can do on Zoom that I bet you probably didn't know you could. So let me show you, because hey, you're not going to believe this, but this isn't really on my head. So let me show you what I did. So you can actually go into Zoom and go to this button right here, and then go over and just click on the choose virtual background. Now, this is where most people are used to choosing a virtual background, but there's a whole bunch of other things you can do. And I'm going to show you 3 really cool ones. First is you can just pick on video filters, and you can do what I did here, which is change around all this stuff, add all these effects, add these funny things. I guess hey, that made me into a unicorn. But do all these fun things and just have fun with these different filters that you can do here. The other thing that people don't realize or see is this studio effects. So you can actually do funny things like, hey, give yourself some really bushy eyebrows, which is fun. Hey, maybe that's a good look for me. I don't know. But you can do that, and why grow a beard when you can just kind of give yourself a little 5 o'clock shadow here? Totally change your look. And it's amazing how that actually sticks with you. And now I'm starting to look like a little bit different person. I can even change apparently my lip color here. So yeah, so there's that. Now if I want to change my style, all I have to do is this. So I can even apply that to all my future meetings, but we won't do that for right now. So I can do that. And then the other thing I can do is go over here to avatars. And if I want to, I can show up to my next meeting as a dog. So that could be fun. Probably surprise some people. And guess what? If you want to just have that turn on whenever you join a meeting, you can do it right here. So that's all for today. Thanks for joining me. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe as I share things that I discover that'll be fun for you to do with technology. Catch you in the next video.